Hello everyone, welcome to Bcute Craft. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Jagdamb keychain. To make this, you will need. I draw a rough image here to get some idea कि मेरा final product किस तरीके का हो. You need a thick slab of clay for this keychain. I place my hexagon cutout here to trace the exact shape. If you don't know how to draw perfect hexagon, then अपने गूगल बाबा तो है ही. So go on Google and search the same. You will find tons of videos and images. You can ultimately take printout of your desired shape. Please check description box to find the direct link. Start cutting the shape. Use some water to smooth out all the rough edges. Use a simple pin or an eye pin to make a hole at the top of your keychain. Once it dried out completely, write Jagdamb using pencil. Use water or glue to stick clay on the base as I am showing here. It is very important to use glue at this step because if you don't use glue, the clay will come off easily from the base after drying. I use clay stripes to enhance the look. To make this type of border, I use TikTok pins. Now our keychain base is ready. I am using black acrylic color. Use golden or any metallic color. Use some amount of color as we don't want our keychain completely gold. Use eye pin to attach the keychain ring. and your own handmade Jagdamb keychain is ready. This is the best option for gifting. If you like this simple tutorial, then hit that like button. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe for more upcoming videos.